Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Khanna Tuning. So I'm back with this new episode of Sunday's Learning. So it is on about mutual fund terms which you must know. So first term is asset management company. So what this asset management company does is they collect the pool of funds from the investors and they manage that fund and monitor that fund and also disburse the returns to the investors. So all the asset management companies are registered under the SEBI and they operate under the guidelines of the SEBI. And also they also, for example of some asset management companies are HDFC, AMC, ICICI, have Prague, and all these are Canara Robeco. All these are asset management companies. So next term is net asset value. What is net asset value? Net asset value is a simple term which you all might know. In simple language, if I say NAV is a price of a mutual fund unit. Likewise in stock there is a share price. Likewise in mutual fund there is a NAV. So that is net asset value. And next term is SIP. SIP is systematic investment plan. Likewise you do in banks the RD. So here you can do the systematic investment plan that you monthly invest or quarterly or weekly you can invest in this fund. You invest 500 for example monthly. So this is systematic. That is called your systematic investment. That means you are systematically investing in the fund. So next is systematic transfer plan, that give you the flexibility to use fund in a disciplined manner. So if you invest 1 lakh in one equity mutual fund, instead of you investing in the entire amount at once and will be exposed to the higher risk, you can invest an amount in debt fund of the same fund house choosing the STP plan. So it means you can transfer the fund anytime you want to. So anytime you want to in middle. So you can choose the various plans like flexible STP, fixed STP, and capital systematic transfer plans. So this is STP. And next is SWP. SWP is systematic withdrawal plan. Systematic withdrawal plans are those in which you invest a lump sum amount, then you get return monthly or quarterly, howsoever you have chosen for. So what is next term is AUM, asset under management. Asset under management is, it means how much fund is managed by the as AMCs. That is the first term, AMC. So how you can check is that if you see you have invested in one day some amount and other investor has exited that fund. So in all how much fund has been under this asset management company, that shows that in AUM. So it is also a most important parameter that investor must consider in the performance and the credibility of the AMC. Okay, so next term is exit load. Exit load is a term when you invest in mutual fund or when you exit it, then you have to pay a fees, must pay a fees when they exit the mutual fund. That is also written in your fact sheet, how much exit load will be levied when you exit that fund. So that's it from the Sunday learning episode of today. So keep trading and keep investing with Khanna Tuning.